Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, till now I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is discussion from page 99 to 106. This is from chapter 4, students. And this is annual term class, lecture number 4. My dear students, today we will discuss at first from page number 99, that is related to the Gunna. So, you know, Gunna is an Arabic word. It means pronouncing a word with the help of nose. What is the definition? See the definition. Gunna is the technique to recite the Holy Quran with correct pronunciation and correct form of recitation. Students, remember the pronunciation spelling. Many of the students are missing the spelling. This word they are writing pronunciation, but it will be pronunciation. So Gunna is the technique to recite the Holy Quran with correct pronunciation and correct form of recitation. So I hope you clear about the definition of Gunna. Now I will discuss some information which are related to the Gunna. See the first one. Among 29 Arabic letters, there are two Gunna letters. They are Mim and Nun. Remember these two letters because some exam come this type of question. Then when Mim and Nun will get tasdeed, then they will give humming, Gunna sound. It can be a question when the Mim and Nun will pronounce with the Gunna. Then you will write this answer. When Mim and Nun will get tasdeed, then they will give humming sound or the Gunna sound. So how it will be? There is an example, two example, like Thumma. If you recite with me, if you pronounce with me, then the sound will come from the base of the nose, like Thumma, Inna. If I say more, Lamma. Okay, so see, above the Mim there is tasdeed and above the Nun there is also tasdeed. So when you will see, when you will recite the Holy Quran and will see this type of sign above the Nun and Mim, then you will pronounce with Gunna. Gunna is wajib. The smallest duration of Gunna sound is equal to the prolonging of one alif. So when you will pronounce the Gunna, you have to take the short breath like one alif. Summa, Inna, it's one alif. Then importance of Gunna is unlimited. So I hope you clear about all information of Gunna. Now I will discuss about in your book there are 5 surahs. We will discuss only the characteristics of these surahs. Students, see, I arrange these surahs like this: Surah Ma'un, Kafirun, Fil, Quraish and Kausar. But in your book there is first surah is Surah Fil, then Quraish, then Ma'un, then Kausar and last Kafirun. But I will tell you why I arrange like this. At first you have to know where these surahs revealed. Students, all of this surah has revealed in Makkah. So remember, all these 5 surah revealed in Makkah. There is no revealed in Medina. So there is no confusion, is revealed in Makkah or Medina. So all revealed in Makkah. And then number of verses of these surahs are, I arrange the verses. Why I arrange here like this? Now I am telling you. Number 1 is Surah Ma'un. Look, there are 7 ayats. Number 2 is Surah Kafirun. there are 6 ayat. Then Surah Fil, number 3, there are 5 ayat. Number 4, Surah Quraish, there are 4 ayat. And last Surah Kausar, 3 ayat. So how it's arranging? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So if you remember like this, then that will be easy for remembering. Again I am telling you, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Hope you understood. Students, now I will discuss about the meaning of the name of this surah. What is the meaning of Surah Ma'un or Kafirun or Quraish? Only the word meaning of that surah's name. Last year, one question has come, what is the meaning of Fil in Surah Fil? I mean, in Surah Fil there is the word Fil. What does it mean? So Fil means elephants. Same as I have shown you all surahs names meaning. Only what is in your book. Number 1 is Ma'un. Ma'un means the little things of the household necessity. Number 2, Kafirun. Kafirun means disbelievers. Number 3, Fil. Fil means elephants. Number 4, Quraish. Quraish means one of the famous tribes name in Makkah. Number 5, Kausar. Kausar means fountain of abundance. So I hope you will memorize this. Sorry. Now the question pattern. What type of question can come in the exam from these surahs, from these 5 surahs? I have shown you 7 type of question. Number 1 is how many verses are there in Surah Ma'un or Fil or Kafirun? Students, I given their option. So there can be the another surah, I mean Ma'un, Fil, Kafirun or Kausar or Quraish. So you know the verses of this surah, already we discussed. Number 2, where revealed the surah Kausar or Quraish or Fil. All surahs revealed in Makkah. Then number 3, what is the meaning of the word Kafirun or Fil or Ma'un? So Kafirun means disbeliever, Fil means elephants, like this. Number 4, what is the 4th number ayat of Surah Ma'un or Kafirun? Students, keep attention the 4th number. I given there the question, what is the 4th number ayat of Surah Ma'un or Kafirun? It can be changed the ayat number. What is the 3rd number ayat or what is the 5th number ayat? And here also can be changed the surah's name. So you have to memorize all these 5 surahs. Otherwise you cannot give the answer properly. So 4th number ayat of Surah Ma'un is Fawailul lil Musallin, and Kafirun ayat is Wala antum aabiduna ma a'bud. Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun la a'budu ma ta'budun wala ana aabidum ma abattum wala antum aabiduna ma a'bud. That is the 4th number of Surah Kafirun. Then number 5, Lakum dinukum waliya din. This ayat is from which surah? You know this ayat is from Surah Kafirun. So this type of question also can come in the exam. There can be changed the ayat and then they will ask you this ayat is from which surah. And number 6, Alladhina hum yura'un. What is the next or previous ayat of this ayat? So you have to memorize all these 5 surah. Otherwise you cannot give the previous ayat or the next ayat of this ayat. Number 7, Faja'alahum ka'asfim, then dash. What will be the next word? So Faja'alahum ka'asfim ma'kul will be there. So this 7 type of question can come in the exam from the 5 surahs in your book. Students, now I will do the fill in the blanks which is in your exercise, page number 106. One by one I will write the answer. There are 5 fill in the blanks. Number 1 is Quran Majid is Allah's dash kalam. Then number 2, pronounced when the last edge of the tongue touches the palate, which letter will pronounced noon. Number 3, Ghain Ha, pronounced from the dash of the throat tube. Throat tube means larynx. middle, M-I-D-D-L-E, middle. Number 4, sign of pause is called waqf, W-A-Q-F, waqf. Number 5, the language of Quran Majid is very easy, it's Arabic. Arabic. Now, my dear students, I will discuss from your exercise chapter 4, page number 106, matching. See, I picked up all the left side and right side. Students, see the left side, I given there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it can be A, B, C, D, E also. And there is, sometimes there will be the Roman digit, or sometimes will be the 1, 2, 3, or sometimes there will be no digit also. So answer is number 1 plus 2. Number 1, the goals of reciting Quran Majid, 1 plus 2. Number 2 is Quran Majid is the last, 2 is 1, heavenly book. Number 3, pronounced from 2 lips. Number 3 plus 5, 5, this one. Number 4, 4 plus 3, pronounced by touching first portion of the tongue with palate. 4 plus 3. And last number, 5 plus 4, that is pronounced from the first part of the throat. Throat means vocal cord also, that is 5 plus 4. Students, I have shown you one example. This is example, that is how we will write in the exam. What will be the better pattern? That is, when you will match this, don't follow like this. It will be like a disordering, like a rough. So you will do the matching, like at first you will pick up the number. For example, I given there 2 plus 1. 2 is Quran Majid is the last, then 1 is heavenly book, and then you will pick up the sentence Quran Majid is the last heavenly book. So then that will be like a sentence. But if you do like this, then for the teacher understanding is some difficult, some tough. That's why you will follow this way, this way. I hope you understood. And students, see, there I given the HW, and this is the HW number 4 in annual term, writing Surah Fil, Quraish and Kafirun in English. Again I am telling to you, students, keep attention in the HW, writing Surah Fil, Quraish and Kafirun in English. I mean, when you will write that surah, you will write in English, not in Arabic. Like, for example, you will write Surah Fil, Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. You will write in English. I am showing you. Alam tara kaifa, like this you will write. So my dear students, hope you all understood my discussion. Keep learning and writing again and again. If you write, then that will be memorized more than 50%. And be careful about the HW and submit your HW every Sunday, and to abide by your parents. Stay safe. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.